Hey everyone, it's Kia. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys like my go-to everyday looks. Just really simple and easy to recreate. These are just like my go-to looks when I don't feel like doing the most, but I still want to serve a look. Today's video is sponsored by Calvin Klein. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So before we get into these looks, let's talk about what goes under the looks. Underwear. I really think we underestimate the power of underwear and the role that it plays in making an outfit look more polished and put together. You know, panty lines and bra strap and underwire lines can really like completely ruin a perfectly good outfit, but not anymore thanks to Calvin Klein Invisibles. This line is all about comfort, functionality, and support. It offers seamless lines, so no panty lines, no bra strap lines. They have a body contouring fit that's really gonna snatch you in, girl. They're supportive but still wire-free. I can definitely appreciate that. Like, I'm a girl with small boobs, so a lot of my bras have a wire because I need all the support and all the extraness I can get. But sometimes, you know, they show when I wear tight shirts and they're just plain uncomfortable. So I love the fact that these offer a wire-free support and the padding is also removable. But you know, girl, I'll be keeping the padding in because I need that. So yeah, ultimately they're just meant to be supportive without being seen, and I'm totally here for that. Alright, so let me show you guys what I got. First up, we have the V-cut bodysuit in black. So this is microfiber, so it's really stretchy, it's comfortable. You see there's no lines, and the padding, of course, is also removable. This is easy to clean, easy to wash. It's just, girl, snatched in that bodysuit. So next up, we have the skinny strap bralettes. I got one in this is like a pinky nude, and then I also have one in black as well. Once again, this is microfiber, wire free. The padding can be removed. I can think of so many different ways to wear this, like just as a bralette in general, like obviously underneath your clothes, but then you can also wear it like with a blazer slightly opened, like underneath your mesh tops, underneath your see-through tops. Here for it. What I love about these items is that I feel like they're multifunctional, that you can wear them underneath your clothes, but you also can wear them as clothes as well. So I'm totally here for that. I love a multifunctional piece. Just more bang for your buck, okay? And lastly, for bras, we have the V-neck bralettes. Once again, nice seamless lines, super comfortable, wire free. Padding is removable, and I just love this color. Like, I'm here for neutrals, you guys know that. I got it in, this is like a taupey nude color, and then I also have it in black as well. Once again, this is another piece that I feel like you can wear like as a top, or of course underneath your clothes as well. Now let's get into some underwear. I got the hipster underwear in black, and then I also have them in the pinky nude. Once again, nice seamless lines, no panty lines, girls. Like, oh my god, panty lines ruin outfits. To be honest, I'd rather go underwear-less than have a panty line. Like, keeping it all the way 100, okay? TMI, I know, but like, panty lines are not cute. They can just really just downgrade your whole entire look. You spend so much time, so much effort getting dressed, like, yeah, I'm about to kill the girls, and then you have a panty line. All right, get it together. Check out Calvin Klein Invisibles. I would be sure to link all the products down below in the description box to make sure you guys check that out. Now, let's get into these looks, all right?